Several Bengalurians have gathered outside the BDA office to save the lakes of the city from encroachment. They are alleging that BDA is not doing enough to save our lakes. They are staging a protest against projects by private land developers coming on the lakes of the city. Well, my colleague Bansi was with the protesters. Let's take a look.
Well, this is the Bengaluru Development Authority office, and just outside the office, Sankey Road, you see a huge number of protesters gathered out here. You can see them holding placards and protesting just outside the BDA office. Now, the reason for this protest is there are 123 lakes all along Bengaluru, and their protest is simple: protect the lakes. And many lakes, they say, have disappeared. They say tens of thousands of crores of worth of property has been lost. And what is the BDA doing? Nothing really, because the mafia really, with impunity, they're encroaching the lakes. So they have come out here to protest against these, and the protesters gathering just outside the BDA office to protest against them. Now here you see them standing just outside the BDA office. They say the BDA is doing nothing at all to really protect these lakes apart from just lip service. Will the BDA respond positively remains to be seen. With camera person Mahantesh, this is Bansi for Newsman.
Well, certainly residents are not taking things lying down. Let's not forget that the encroachment of lakes has become a major cause of concern for Bengalurians. Bengaluru, that once boasted of close to 200 lakes, has barely 17 left now. Many of them are in dilapidated condition, many of them facing encroachment, facing the threat of encroachment as well. Barely any of the lakes are protected. Let's not forget that at one point Bengaluru had its major water supply from its very own lakes and from the Vrishabhavati river, but now due to encroachment as well as pollution, Bengaluru is heavily dependent on borewells as well as the Kaveri water. Today, Bengalurians decided to come out and stage a protest on the same against the BDA for giving licenses to various private builders to encroach upon lake lands to create private properties. Let's listen to what one of the protesters had to say.
I think all of us in Bangalore are concerned about our lakes getting destroyed. Common people, everyone. And when lakes do get destroyed, people do not know where to go and complain, right? And because it's deliberately distributed across these departments. And departments today, according to the government priority, instead of looking after lakes, are essentially furthering the process of destroying lakes.
Conniving with the...
Of course, I mean, it only shows that they're conniving with encroachers and the land mafia. And today the protest in front of the BDA is to make the BDA accountable for 123 lakes that they are responsible for. And none of these lakes, as we know, have been properly surveyed and restored to their original self.
Well, that was one of the protesters who went on to state that now they will not take things lightly and that they will stage a protest. In fact, more and more Bengalurians need to come out in such a manner to oppose the government agency from awarding license and contracts to private builders to legally encroach upon lakeland, which is ideally supposed to be protected by the Bangalore Development Authority.